joining this lesson. We're just doing a continuation. We have already calculated the median, already calculated the mean, and we have also prepared the frequency distribution table. In this case, we're going to draw the frequency polygon. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. So, for purposes of your recall, I'm going to tell you that for a frequency polygon, according to the part C here, on the grid provided, draw a frequency polygon to represent the data. For this one, we plot what we call a frequency F against midpoints, which is X. Frequency F against midpoints. We already have both quantities here. We have frequencies and we are having the midpoints X. The midpoints are running all the way from 37 to 77 at intervals of 5. The frequencies are from 1 all the way to the greatest one is 11. Yeah. So when we use 11, the vertical axis might not accommodate all the values. So I'm going to have frequencies here. Frequency F. Then at this point, I'm going to have the midpoints. The midpoints X. So the first midpoint is at 2. The first midpoint is at 7, sorry. Therefore, we can begin from we can begin from, let me even have before 37, we can even start with 32 at this point. So that now 37 takes this point. We have 37, we have 42, we have 47, or because there is enough space for this axis, for the horizontal axis, let me just have 37 at this point, then 42 at this point, then we can have a 47 at this point, 52 at this point, 57, 62, 67. Then we have what you call a 72 and 77 and 77. Then we can also talk about 82 at end. So what we're going to have now, because for the vertical axis from 2 to 11, you can use intervals of 2. Because when I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah, they will still fit. So I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is enough. Therefore, I'm going to have the first one is 2 against 37. 2 against 37, so that's 7 by 2. This is the midpoint. We're also going to have 44, 42 against 4, 42 against 4. We're also going to have 47 against 8, 47 against 8. The next one is going to be 52 against 9, 52 against 9. This point, we're going to have a 57 against 11, 57 against 11, which is here. We're also going to have 62 against 7, 62 against 7, which is this point. We're also going to have 67 against 5, 67 against 5, 72 against 3, and finally 77 against 1. So these are the midpoints and the frequencies plotted. The next thing is to join them using very straight lines, such that if I get this ruler, I join the first two using a straight line. Then I join the next two, again using a straight line. The next, just like that. It's not a curve, it is a polygon. So you use very straight lines from one edge to the other. Again a straight line. The next one using a straight line. The next one using a straight line. And finally we have this one also using a straight line, very straight line, very straight line. Then now the first one can be dropped here anywhere on this axis, and also the last one, sorry for that, the last one should be dropped somewhere on this axis. So we anchor them at the axis. This is what we call a frequency polygon. Thank you for following. Subscribe and share.